one of the intense roller coasters here at Disney World. Should be a lot of fun. Here we are on board Expedition Everest. Sorry about the lateness of it, but here we go. And we're at the top. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Another second hill. Whoa. Why are we moving? We're stuck. Oh, here we go. Up the hill again. How about this, huh? Isn't this nice? You can see everything. You can see the whole park from here. Alright. Here we go. Whoa! Oh no! Here's the broken oh no! The Yeti broke the track! Oh, what do we do? What do we do? Oh, here's the up couple, the Hollywood Tower of Terror out there. And we're going backwards. Oh man, that was. Well, there you have it. That was Expedition Everest, you guys. Well, hey, thank you. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for riding. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.